Hey guys, Lance here to do the unboxing and review of the Nerf Rival Apollo. Alright, so you're going to take your cutting device. For me, it's a cake knife. Take it, cut the one strand of tape right there. Open it up. Pull it out. Comes with the instructions. Don't need those. Just chuck the box at your cameraman.
Holy cow.
Shut up. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is take out the mag, because I have longer mags here because these have been out for years. Not really years, but yeah, we're just going to toss that aside for now. Comes with ammo. These are always so hard to get out, but so cool out of the box. There we go. You've got your one bullet. The other 6, because it's a 7 mag. Oh, here we go. Yep, so you can either rip it out, or you can just turn it around and cut the tape, like I'm doing. Because when you're a weakling like I am, you have to use your brain and figure out how the manufacturers wanted you to make it. So, and there we go. We have our Apollo. Not our Apollo. This is Turf Wars Apollo. This isn't yours. There we go. I'm going to destroy that thing later. You cannot stop me, cameraman. Anger. Yeah. We should make a segment called, Can You Open This with a Cake Knife? And just try to open things with cake knives, because this is not working very well. Small things don't work with cake knives, because, I mean, they're small things. So, there we go. What did you just say? What was that? Should we turn this camera off and have a fight right now? You're gonna make fun of my mother like that? These magazines, I actually really like them because they're really cool, because you can push them in and push that button and I lost that. Cameraman, can you grab that for me? I'm kind of plugged into the phone right now, so I can't move really well. But yeah.
Plugged into the camera?
I'm plugged into the camera, the phone, whatever. Why'd you throw it at me? Just jump into the frame. Okay, there we go.
Alright guys, that was Twizzler.
Alright. I magically got it back, because he's going to cut all that out.
Yeah.
Alright, I got it back. All 7 bullets. You take the magazine, you point that towards the trigger, slide it right in.
Ow!
That thing was... Okay, these things are so awesome new, I forgot the feeling of them. It's been a while since we've got a new one. Yeah, the gun's alright. It's got a chance for an extended mag, which I really love, because extended mags are awesome. I don't like having to carry around 27 mags. There's a nice little jam door here in case it gets jammed. It's always nice, because you can just do that. You've got to cock it first. Just do that, pull it back, drop the ball in, boom, and then you shoot at your cameraman. There's also the safety, which I'm never going to use. I don't think anyone really uses it, but you push down, push up, it works. To get the magazine out, you push the button right there, pull it out, and there you go, that's the gun. My opinion of the gun, it's very high. I love this thing. This is my main gun. That's why I get to unbox it. That's why I get to review it. Heck, I have like 2 of these at my house. Not just because I have 3 brothers, because this is the best gun Nerf ever made. In my mind, it beats everything on this wall. There just isn't anything comparing to this gun. The power it throws the balls, the accuracy of me pointing it and shooting it, I could nail anything with this gun in my hand. That's why I love it so much. That's why, and it's so cheap too. That's why it's definitely worth the buy. What did we get this for? 20 bucks? 25?
Yeah, you can get it for cheaper.
Yeah, you can get it for cheaper. We saw 2 on LetGo for $9 total. It's crazy how amazing this gun is, and you can get it for so cheap. And they're really disposable too. You can sit there and just absolutely destroy the gun. It might last, it might not. Who cares? It's cheap. That's what makes this a great gun, a great buy, and in turn, the best Nerf gun ever.
Alright, Caden here giving my opinion on the Nerf Rival Apollo. This gun's pretty cool. It comes in 3 colors. Or 4, right? There's a blue, red, white, and then they have this camo edition, which I really like. I want to see... Dang, that has new. I forgot how powerful these things are. This is dead accurate, but they're cool. I really like the gun. It shoots hard. This is my main that I use. I want to get the Worker makes a pump action kit from like a mod 4 where you pump it and you can shoot. But this is a really cool gun overall. I do like the camo on it. I would prefer the camo one. I actually modded one where it was purple instead of the gray camo. I gotta keep shooting, but it's a cool gun. I wish they would put more guns as the camo, but you also can do things like this and mod it. Now, this has nothing done to it because I don't feel the need to, but I have stuck multiple springs in this thing, and this thing will crank out to a high FPS count. Rival is subpar of 100, but I've cranked one of these out to, I believe, 150. But that's all my opinion is. This is a really good gun. I would recommend it. They're super cheap. You can destroy them because they're cheap. That's all I really have to say, so thank you for watching. This is me leaving my segment.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, it helps the channel grow. If you want to book a party and you're in the Oklahoma City area, check out the website in the description. It'll provide you with all the information, all the necessary things. If you want more Nerf stuff, check out our social media. We're always posting and stuff like that. So that's about it. This is me signing off with my own gun. I don't even have any.